how to create a custom room in honor of kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a room and invite other players to play. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the bottom, you can see this modes icon. Simply tap on modes. So here on the right top, you'll be able to see a small button of custom. Tap on custom, and here there are different modes that you can select from. So simply select the mode that you want to play and tap on confirm. So here, as you can see, the room has been created. Now here you can select the map, and here you can add different players too. So here you can invite your friends and other players added in your account. You'll be even able to customize the game settings and play accordingly. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.